Imagine waking up one day to find that the CEO of a company you're invested in has stepped down due to an electric car debacle. That's exactly what happened at Hertz. The shocking turn in Hertz's leadership has left many startled. The CEO, who played a key role in amassing the electric vehicle fleet, has been replaced. This means Hertz is now onto its fifth boss in a short span of just 4 years. This unexpected exit has left many questioning Hertz's stability and future. Hertz's decision to invest in electric vehicles seemed promising at first, but it quickly turned into a horror show. The company's ambitious plan to sell a third of its electric vehicles backfired, resulting in a staggering $245 million blow to its earnings. The unexpected price war initiated by Tesla, along with a lower-than-anticipated demand for electric vehicles, drastically depreciated the value of Hertz's fleet. This was a double whammy that Hertz was ill-prepared for. The company's handling of the situation was, quite frankly, a disaster. Instead of adapting to the rapidly changing EV market, Hertz seemed to stumble at every turn, further damaging its bottom line. As Daniel Ives, an analyst with Wedbush Securities, aptly put it, the execution and marketing of EVs by Hertz was a horror show across the board. The electric car nightmare had just begun for Hertz. The fallout from the electric car debacle was severe, but was it the only factor contributing to Hertz's dire situation? Hertz's electric vehicle EV journey has been tumultuous, to say the least. The company's ambitious plan to buy up to 175,000 EVs from General Motors and 65,000 from Polestar, alongside 100,000 from Tesla, hit a roadblock. Their EV fleet only managed to reach 60,000, a mere 60% of their intended target. But their problems weren't limited to the vehicles themselves. The company's decision to enforce charging rules akin to its refueling policies may have deterred potential customers. Without a comprehensive charging infrastructure at their rental locations, Hertz inadvertently threw a wrench in its own operations. As Wedbush Securities analyst Daniel Ives put it, they don't want to go 20 minutes out of their way at 5 in the morning to find a charging station. But the EV nightmare wasn't the only black mark on Hertz's record. The company agreed to pay a whopping $168 million to settle 364 claims of falsely reporting rental cars as stolen. Though insurance covered a significant portion, it was another blow to Hertz's already tarnished reputation. Hertz's journey into the world of electric vehicles has been a rocky one, with the CEO's exit serving as a stark reminder of the challenges that lie ahead for the company.